The cause of cracked heels is a vitamin B3 deficiency. There are different levels of vitamin B3 deficiency, from very mild to severe. One of the first signs of vitamin B3 deficiency has to do with your gastrointestinal tract. In particular, you may experience diarrhea and gut inflammation. The causes of a vitamin B3 deficiency can include a poor diet, poor gastrointestinal health, most common, antibiotics. Symptoms of vitamin B3 niacin deficiency are cracked skin, odor sensitivity, dizziness with sudden movements. The best sources of vitamin B3 are chicken, avocado. In summary, clean up your diet and get plenty of niacin-rich foods to help clear up cracked heels. Without replenishing your vitamin B3 levels, lotion and other skin products likely less help with cracked heels and dry feet.